since you should not use your own vehicle. So it will also decrease the pollution and also save the resources.
Good. Okay, just for 2 minutes, let's have a open digression in terms of how would you suggest that in a city like Pune? How would you suggest that? Do you also agree with that, Kabir? Mostly. So how would you guys give that suggestion if somebody from the PLC or PMTM is asking you for that suggestion? How do you motivate people, or would you put a rule?
I wouldn't exactly put a rule, but I would improve the conditions of the buses so that people, without asking them, they on their own they'll go on their own they'll start using buses.
Okay. But now it's all about the critical mass also. So to start getting that critical mass into the buses, so that people start thinking about buses as a serious thing. You need to start people going into the buses first. That's like a chicken and egg.
I think a rule is a necessity for that.
Okay.
Because if there are rules, then people will be there will be discipline.
Agreed. So how will you implement that rule? Or how will you put that rule or implement it? That's the question, right? You can have rules. That's the easiest thing to say, but then
How to implement it?
yeah, how would you suggest it, and how do you think it should be good? Okay, let's look at the easiest, college students, since both of you are college, and then it will be easiest to think about a thing of that. So then how do you think college students can be either motivated or be ruled to go in the bus at least twice a week or thrice a week?
And be motivated if
Why do you go in the bus? Let's start from there.
so because I don't want to be means I see all the other guys travel by motorcycles.
Okay.
But it's kind of safe by traveling by in bus.
Exactly. Great point. Safety.
You save a lot of money and
Okay.
it's quick.
Economical. And quick. Quick? Really?
Yeah.
No,
How
I
do you
don't
think
think so.
So today we reached in about 20 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. We got the bus as soon as we went to the bus stop. We reached in 20 minutes. Right? So
But is that a norm or is that an exception?
Well, it wasn't that crowded, which means it was not during the peak hours. So when it's off peak hours, it's quick.
That is one way of looking. You're saying it is not crowded,
Okay.
but there could be other reason also why it was quick.
The roads were empty.
It depends.
That is one that is one reason why it was quick. Some other reason also, because you may have lucked out, right?
But if all people start to move on off peak hours, then it will be because of peak hours.
Exactly. Right. So, but and again, every time we ask that same question: peak hour inside or outside? Do you mean peak hour of people traveling in the bus?
This time I meant peak hour outside the bus.
Both?
Yeah, both.
Okay. Because peak hour inside is not that much bad. Actually.
Yeah.
Unless and until it's like totally.
But peak hour outside and inside, they go hand in hand.
Okay.
When there's peak hour inside the bus, there's obviously more people traveling. So obviously there will be more traffic on the road because
I challenge that assumption. So, is that convincing? And look at your data. What you have done, just look at that and say that.
I don't think so that it depends upon the peak hour inside the bus, but it depends upon outside of the bus. Because if the people inside the bus are more and the traffic is less, then you will definitely reach your destination Yeah, there's a little bit inconvenience.
In the bus?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So, let's say inconvenience.
Although